Hello, welcome. And in this video I'll show you how to set up the back tap or double tap on the back of the phone to pay on your iPhone 16e. So unfortunately I didn't find a direct option to enable it in the wallet app or in the settings, but I found that if you create a shortcut in the shortcut apps to open card, which you just do by searching for card or wallet, and you'll find it here, and save it, and then you go to settings, then you have to find accessibility, and here we should somewhere find, I don't remember exactly, not side button, touch, then go to back tap and set double tap or triple tap, and here you'll find the shortcuts, and now just set it to your open card shortcut, and now when we open our double tap we will be able to access our card menu. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.